Welcome to our video on the truth about TikTok's algorithm. If you're a content creator on TikTok, you've probably noticed that your views and engagement have been fluctuating, and you're not alone. Many users have been wondering what's going on behind the scenes. In this video, we're going to break down the ins and outs of TikTok's algorithm so you can understand how it works and how to optimize your content for maximum reach. First, let's talk about how TikTok's algorithm determines which videos to show to users. The algorithm takes into account a variety of factors, including the engagement on a video, likes, comments, shares, the overall quality of the content, and the relevance of the video to the user. TikTok also uses machine learning to understand the interests of each individual user and tailor the content that's shown to them. Another important aspect of the algorithm is the concept of the For You page. This is the page that users see when they first open the app, and it's where the majority of views come from. In order to get on the For You page, your video needs to have a high level of engagement and be deemed relevant to the user. So, how can you optimize your content for the algorithm? One of the most important things is to create high-quality, engaging content. This means that you should focus on making videos that are visually appealing, well-edited, and have a clear message. It's also important to use relevant hashtags and engage with other users on the app to increase your visibility. Another tip is to keep an eye on trends and create content that's relevant to what's popular on the app. This will increase your chances of getting on the For You page and reaching a wider audience. TikTok's algorithm is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Remember to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content, use relevant hashtags, and engage with other users on the app. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of reaching more viewers and growing your following on TikTok. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for our next video, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.